they took him to Pontius Pilate, the most vicious of all Roman governors. Pilate himself had sentenced thousands of people to a slow death by nailing them to wooden crosses.
And what do you want here, at this hour of the morning?
We caught this man misleading our people.
He caused an uproar in the temple market!
What would be his punishment? Sentence him!
I see no reason to condemn this man. No reason.
We found him guilty, telling them not to pay taxes to the emperor, claiming himself the Messiah, a king.
A king? Are you the king of the Jews?
So you say. He began teaching in Galilee, and now he has come here.
In Galilee? Is this man a Galilean? In that case, we'll let Herod deal with him. He's still here in Jerusalem, isn't he? Take him to Herod.